Hello, barbecue enthusiasts. Meet the Tridens fork, a high-quality meat fork designed with perfect ergonomics to fit comfortably in any hand position, ensuring your meat stays firmly in place while you carve. Its contemporary design adds a touch of character, making it a must-have for true meat lovers. Crafted especially for barbecue aficionados, this fork features a shorter center tooth, perfect for holding beef coast bones securely. This unique design makes cutting meat after cooking not only easier but also more enjoyable. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or preparing a family dinner, the Tridens fork is your ideal companion for a seamless and satisfying carving experience. Elevate your grilling game and impress your guests with this essential tool that combines functionality and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.